Hi all, I am Narayan Bathwal, founder of Ananya Bhakti, and my company is offering a customizable puja kit for the youth who are living in the metro city away from their guardians and parents. We are a part of STEM program here in IIM Raipur, and our IIM Raipur program directors are Satya Siva sir, and our mentors are MSR sir and Professor Pani sir helping us for the industrial connect and industrial visits and internal and external mentoring. We are in this regard, we visited Hyderabad and meet with lot of founders, and we are also visiting the startup hub at Hyderabad, which will help us in gaining more knowledge how we will grow our startup in a manner to develop it as a unicorn company. Thank you to SIDBI also for supporting IIM Raipur for this program. Thank you.